Should have done the product shot beforehand, but I didn't. I have to put them all back in the box. Hello loves, how are we doing today? We're doing pretty well over here. We haven't had a video post in a little while, and that's because we've kind of had a cold going around the whole family, and I've been so busy. I've been working 5 days a week again at school, and it's just a really busy time of the year. And today we're going to go over some of the little things that I picked up for early Christmas gifts for myself, and I wanted to show them to you because they tend to sell out really fast, these Christmas limited edition things. So I wanted to show you a set of lip products that I got today, and in the future we'll be doing more as they start to come in the mail. Today also we're going to chat a little bit, and I can update you on my daughter and the twin boys that she's carrying. Very excited about that. So let's get started. Today we're going to go over a really cute set of lip products from Too Faced Cosmetics. It is so cute. It has the Christmas trees on the front and the sweaters, and the actual name of it is Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. I haven't even opened this yet, so we're going to go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to actually put each color on my lips. I tried to go with kind of a neutral look today so that they would it wouldn't take away from the lip colors that we're trying out today. If you want to know any of the things that I used on my face today, they'll all be listed in the description box. And the first one we're going to try is called Hot Toddy. Look how cute these bottles are too. Now they are smaller than their regular sized melted matte lipsticks, but I don't mind that because I have never ever finished an entire melted matte lipstick from Too Faced. So let's smell it, and then we'll get it on our lips. So cute. It's got little hot toddies on the top of the container. Oh, it smells so good. I love products that smell good. I'm not sure if that smells like a hot toddy because I actually have never had a hot toddy. For lip liner today, I'm using the Thrive Cosmetics, what is it called? Lip Filler Lip Liner, and the shade is Khaki. It's just a nice neutral kind of nudie color, and I thought that that would work well under all of these. I'll have to take it off in between. My lips are probably going to get a little sore, but we'll skip through the parts where I'm taking it off and just skip right to the good stuff. So let's go ahead and get this one put on. Like I said, it smells delicious. Such a pretty color. Look at that. These are fairly easy to apply. If you've ever used any of the Too Faced melted matte lipsticks, liquid lipsticks before, the formula feels exactly the same. They take a few minutes to dry down, and then it will dry down to a nice matte, and I like that color. That's really pretty. And these aren't just for the holiday times. I mean, that's a beautiful fall color, but you could wear that mauve color, and I think it's really, really pretty. So that's our first one, Hot Toddy. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, we're ready for the next one. The next one is called Sugar Cookie, and this one is a very light pinky nude. Very pretty color too. This is the kind of shade that I go for just all year round. It has the cutest little sugar cookies on the top of the component. So cute. Again, they're all mini sized, and this is what their wand looks like. If you've never seen this, pretty traditional doe foot wand applicator and a clear stem. So let's try this one. Yes, it does smell just like a freshly baked sugar cookie. You could also add a gloss on top of these once they're dry. They work really well with the gloss on top. The formula is not too drying. It is a liquid lipstick, so it's going to feel a little drying on your lips, but sometimes either putting a balm on top or a nice gloss will help with that tightness or that feeling. But honestly, these ones for me, they're not as bad as some that I have felt on my lips. It's not uncomfortable. It does dry down though. You can feel it starting to dry down, and it dries down to a beautiful matte though. If you like matte lips, these are really, really perfect. I like that color, and that again was Sugar Cookie. Okay, we're ready for the third one. There are 4 in total, and I don't think I told you, but the pack of 4 different liquid lipsticks in 4 different shades and scents you can get at QVC, their website, Too Faced's website, and also at Ulta Beauty. So it was $25 for the set of 4. This one is called Caramel Apple, and it's a very, very pretty orangey, very nice fall color, kind of one of the deeper shades in the pack. And it's got cute little candy apple or caramel apples on the top. So cute. Just love these little minis. I'm sure it smells delightful. Yes, it does. It smells like apple and caramel. It smells delicious. I'm very glad I didn't wait until Christmas to open up this package. Because could you get a more beautiful fall Thanksgiving lip color than that? It is beautiful. It doesn't quite look great with this eye look, but with a very warm eye look, oh, this would be so pretty. I really like that shade as well. And that again is Caramel Apple. And by the way, these come off super easy. I've just been using a makeup wipe, and they wipe right off. Super easy to get off. Okay, I wanted to save the red until last because I wasn't sure how easy this one was going to be to take off, or if it was going to stay on my lips. So I saved probably my favorite one for the last one. This one is called Candy Cane, and it is a beautiful red color, and it's got candy canes on the top of the component. And let's see if it smells like peppermint. Oh, it does. That is lovely. Peppermint has to be one of my favorite scents for the winter time and Christmas. I'm actually not sure if you would even need a lip liner with these. It's got such a nice pointy wand that you can get right up there and make very fine lines. I'm not sure if you'll know what I'm talking about, but this one kind of feels minty. You can kind of feel that little slight tingle. Not painful, doesn't hurt or anything, but I can definitely tell that there's some kind of a mint in it, and I love that color. It is really, really pretty, very festive, very holiday. I really like it. So again, that one is Candy Cane. Okay, thank you so much for being here with me today, for spending a little bit of time getting in the Christmas spirit. I already have all of my decorations up. This weekend we will go get our tree, and we'll be putting that up too. And I'll be sure to take some photos for Instagram. I don't usually do any vlogging at Christmas time because I don't have a designated vlogging camera that works really well for that. I did put it on my Santa list though, so maybe, you just never know. An update on my beautiful daughter and her twin babies. She is not due until January. They're not sure though how long we can put off the delivery date because they are twins, And we found out, I think about a week ago, maybe a little longer, that one of our boys, Ethan, has a congenital heart defect, and he will need surgery shortly after he's born. So, of course, we were all really upset about that at first. We all read a lot about it. My daughter feels very confident in the doctor that they're seeing. He is a specialist. But the hospital that they would both need to go to is at least 3 hours from home in the wintertime in Pennsylvania. So we're all a little concerned. We want to be there. And now with the COVID, we're not even sure that we're going to be allowed inside the hospital anyway. But also to be 3 hours away was scary for her. We had to have, a long talk about it. And as far as we're all concerned, everything is in God's hands, and He will take care of us. He's brought us this far with the boys. It's been a miracle. We didn't ever dare hope to have twins in our family, because it doesn't run in our side of the family, but it does run in her husband Sean's side of the family. So it's just been such a blessing. I actually get to go to my first sonogram with her next week, so I'll be sure to post any pictures that I get and let you know how the boys are doing again. They've set up a group on Facebook. I believe it's called Hearts for Ethan, and I'll try to link it in my profile on YouTube so that you could go and take a look at that. They're doing all of their updates on there, how Ethan's doing, how the rest of the family is doing. Elijah is his brother, and Elijah is now growing really well. They've caught up in weight. Elijah was a little smaller at first, and we were a little concerned about that because Ethan's heart is having to work so much harder than Elijah's, that he was taking a lot of the blood flow, but it seems to have worked itself out, and Elijah is getting bigger and stronger every day. And we can't wait to meet them. We're so excited. Their nursery is about complete. They've just got a few little things to still put in place. And I think, our hearts are full. We are grateful. We are blessed. And we're so happy that our little family is growing. We couldn't ask for a better Christmas present, really. So I hope that you are all happy and healthy where you are today. Please wear your masks. It's very, very important to protect other people around you that possibly might have an immune system that's not working so great. Myself and my daughter would be included in that group. So wear your masks. Take care of your fellow Americans. It's important. And know that somebody out here loves you very much and appreciates you all very much. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and share if you can. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one.